This is a dars السادس عشر, lesson 16, and we are in Kitab Adawat al-Rabt, the connectors. We're looking here at drill 4, Tamreen Arba'a, and in this drill, we're going to use inna and anna in the appropriate space. Now, one of the things that you have to note here is that you might have to change the sentence slightly in order to accommodate for inna or anna. So in the example here, you can see we have the sentence given, سمعنا blank, سافر الأستاذ أمس. But in order to add the anna, we have to front the ustad. So we say, سمعنا أن الأستاذ قد سافر أمس. So and then we added the qad. So notice also in the second example here, قالوا blank, هم مشغولون جدا هذا المساء. Now we have to, when we add inna, we say قالوا إنهم and connect the pronoun, but everything else stays the same. قالوا إنهم مشغولون جدا هذا المساء. So I'm going to go through some of the Arabic, help you with the meaning, and then you're going to add inna or anna where appropriate, and then modify the sentence when as needed. So number one, عرفت blank أختها نجحت في الامتحان. I knew that her sister had succeeded in the exam. Number two, اثنين أعتقد blank سيفوز بالجائزة الأولى. I believe that he will succeed with the first prize. أربعة ذكر في رسالته blank حصل على منحة. He mentioned in his letter that he obtained a scholarship. خمسة قالت blank هن صديقات عزيزات عليها. She said that they are very dear friends to her. ستة ذكر المدير blank تنظر اللجنة في طلبي. The manager or the supervisor mentioned that the council was looking into my request. سبعة أقسم blank هو الذي بعث لوالدها هذه الرسالة. I swear that he is the one who sent her father this letter. ثمانية أخبرونا blank رئيس الجامعة سيعقد اجتماعا هاما غدا. They informed us that the president of the university will hold an important meeting tomorrow. تسعة علمنا blank قبل طلبنا للعمل في الشركة. We knew that our request for work was, علمنا blank قبل طلبنا للعمل في الشركة. We knew that our application, our work application, was accepted at the company. 10 قالوا blank سيسافرون غدا. They said that they will travel tomorrow. Number 11 زعموا blank هي التي سرقت النقود. They claim that she is the one who stole the money. 12 12 عرفنا blank هم يقومون بالواجب على خير وجه. They knew that they would uphold the necessary, or they would do what was necessary in the best way. So there you have the meaning, and you need to add inna or anna and modify the sentence in order to accommodate for the connector. مع السلامة.